Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to launch website through DNS and IIS in Windows Server 2025. I have already downloaded free website template and internet. Multiple websites provide free website templates. You can download from on these websites. Open this PC. Click Documents. Double-click on Website. This is our website to launch through DNS and Internet Information Services IIS. Let's close this folder. Go to Search. Type here, Server Manager. Click on Server Manager. Now the Server Manager is open. Now I am going to install DNS Server. Click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Roles-based and feature-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Check on DNS Server. Click Add Features. Click Next. No need to select anyone. Click Next. DNS Server. Click Next. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Now the installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Now the DNS installation is completed. Click Close. Now I am going to configure DNS Server. Go to Tools. Click on DNS. Select Server. Expand Server. Expand and select Forward Lookup Zone. Let's right-click on it. Select New Zone. Welcome to the New Zone wizard. Click Next. Select Primary Zone. Click Next. Type here zone name, stb.local. This is our zone name and website name as well. Click Next. Zone file. Click Next. Select Allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Click Next. Click on Finish. Now our zone is created. Select Zone. Let's right-click on it. Click New Host A. Type here host name to map on IP address. But first of all I am going to check IP address in this server. Go to Run. Type CMD. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Our server IP address is 10.0.0.1. Close command prompt. Type hostname. I am given it name www. IP address 10.0.0.1. Click Add Host. The host record www.stb.local was successfully created. Click OK. Click Done. Here it is our host. Close DNS Manager. Now I am going to check our host record is pinging or not. Right-click on Windows. Click Run. CMD. Click OK. Type here ping www.stb.local. Press Enter. As you can see, our hostname is pinging. This means our DNS is working properly. Now I am going to install Internet Information Services IIS. Close command prompt. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Roles-based and featured-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Check on Web Server IIS. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Web Server Roles. Click Next. Select Roles Services. No need to select anyone. Click Next. Check on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Web server installation in progress. You will have to wait until the installation is finished. Now the web server installation is completed. Click Close. Now I am going to configure web server. Click on Tools. Click on Internet Information Services, IIS Manager. Maximize IIS Manager. Expand server. Select and expand sites. Right-click on sites. Click Add Website. Type site name. I am given it name my website. Physical path. Click Browse. Choose your website path where it you store. In my case I have stored my website in Documents. Expand document. Select Website. Click OK. Type here hostname. www.stb.local. Click OK. Now my website is added. Click on Server. Double-click on Directory Browsing. Click Enable. Click on Server. Double-click on Default Document. Select index.html. Click on Move Up. Placed on top. Select index.html. Click on Move Up. Just below on index.html. Now web server all settings is completed. Close IIS. Minimize Server Manager. Open this PC. Click Documents. Right-click on Website folder. Select Properties. Click Security. Click Edit. Click Add. Type here Everyone. Click Check Name. Click OK. Check on Full Control. Click Apply. Click OK. Click OK. Close Documents. Open web browser. I am using Microsoft Edge. You can use any web browser. Type here in address bar www.stb.local. Press Enter. As you can see, our website is open. This means our web server IIS working fine. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.